Oh, hello there! I was just finishing up my drawing of the number 100. Why am I doing that, you say? Well, here's the thing. Thank you, again, 100 subscribers. So in the last few videos I've posted have obviously expressed that I was in a little bit of a funk. Well, quick update, I'm doing a lot better now. Part of the reason why I feel better is love. There's many different ways you can approach and look at love. I want to look at love from a standpoint of attraction, and not just physical or emotional attraction, but more so the energy that resides in yourself and others when you emulate a feeling of love. So the one thing that I realize is that I put so much of what I want out there in the world by talking to others, whether it be about them, about me, about goals, about life. You put out the energy into the world that you emulate. Do you have a feeling of compassion for others? Do you want to fall in love with someone or something? One of the big secrets of the universe is that if you want something, you have to put thought, and not just thought, but feeling. And the most powerful feeling you could feel with anything, whether it be a significant other, passion, a sport, whatever it is, it's the feeling. How are you going to nurture that within yourself, and how is that going to attract things on the outside? One of the best examples is working out. There are some people that are very passionate and love working out, but 9 times out of 10, it's not the working out that we love. We love feeling good. We love looking at ourselves in the mirror and seeing progress. We love when other people compliment us on how good we look. These are the things that you need to focus on if you're going to do anything, whether it be working out, pursuing a passion, or finding a significant other. A lot of people, when they think about love in an aspect of being in a relationship, it's feeling a certain way because someone else did something for us. How do you expect that to come your way if you're not emulating that yourself? These are simple things that you could do that are going to be able to help you see what it is you really want to find. We may not love the working out, we may not love the actual work that we are doing, but because we love the end goal, because we're putting feeling into what our goal is, that in turn is going to help you love what you do. It might be painful, it might be a struggle. You want to feel good and be your best at whatever it is you're doing. Don't put in sacrifices like that if you don't feel like it's going to help you move forward in your goal. The biggest tip on focusing on love is to love yourself. Be the best version of you that you can be. Hit the ground running. Pursue whatever or whomever you're looking for in your life. That's all for this week. If you like what you heard, please like the video. Feel free to comment on what is something that gives you fire every day to get up in the morning and do your best. As always, I hope this helps. We'll see you next time.